just get it detached. Oh man, what looks that? What are these? What are all of this? What are all of this? Can you imagine all of that come from the motor? The cooling system. Oh man, unbelievable. Oh man. Don't even more. All of this will go into the motor. So I don't know. I don't know. So that's a lot of calcium. A lot of calcium. That's really a lot of calcium inside. This pipe. That's not only one day, that's been a very long time. So I don't know what it is, a small valve above for. Looks new, so I'm not going to touch it, this one. But the radiator, you can see. Oh, this is still water inside. I'm wondering if it is blocked or not. Oh, it moves. So let's see if we can move it. Get it out. It should be. Whoa, look at that water. Oh man. Oh. That is not good. Oh, I can feel a lot of sands down there. There are a lot of sands. A lot of sands. I can feel it. A lot of dust. Okay. So, look at that. It comes from the motor. Okay, that's a radiator. After many years, no clean up. It's gonna have a lot of calcium inside. Let's continue.